When I first saw you, the bar was crowded, the music was loud, but I felt the stars come out and light the night. It was love at first sight.
I saw you make your way through the crowd. I didn't know it was love that walked into my life. I couldn't turn away from your eyes that helped me.
All I asked of you was to see you again. You changed my world, and you made me crazy.
You texted me, you called me. I tried to slow down, but my head was spinning. I was out of my mind.
I saw you just the previous day, but I wanted to see you again. Whatever you wanted to do was all right with me. I knew you had not made up your mind yet, but there was no doubt in my mind where you belonged.
I just saw you the other day, but you had been on my mind. I couldn't deny this feeling. You knew the door to my very soul. Since then, everything was just right.
Just like the movie we watched together, you are my princess and I am your farm boy. This is our fate. Looking into my heart, you will find love, loyalty, and happiness.
You're my love. You made me believe in fairy tales, true love, and happiness. I was feeling things I had never felt before.
I could not wait. I proposed with a sapphire ring to my princess. I would give my all to you.
I will never forget the night you proposed. You looked into my eyes and asked to make you the happiest man in the world. I looked into your eyes and said, yes.
In the open air, we close our eyes and breathe in slowly.
In Bali, people say union of water and rice provide them with all they need for well and life, and it is our hope that union between Katie and Kevin will be like union of water and rice and provide them with all they need for well and life satisfaction.
And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you, in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have.
I knew that you were the person that I wanted to be with forever.
I knew that I was the luckiest person in the world because of you.
When you laugh, I will share your joy. When you cry, I will comfort you. We belong with each other forever.
I gave you my heart. I will laugh with you in joy. I will grow with you in love. I will always stand by your side.
I vow to kiss you every day with love and devotion, that each kiss we share from now on will be remembrance of our vows, our joy, and everything we share.
I vow to kiss you every day, as I am marrying my true love and my heart's desire. This is now and forever.
And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you, you. In the sunlight or underneath the moon, all we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting